Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make some custom coins. On my main business, CNCKing.com, I've been making custom wooden and metal coins for years. I wanted to release that on CNCKing.com, knowing that it's not generally for a company, it's more for individuals. My first thought about it was actually, when it came to the banks themselves, I want to give a little token with every bank. And I was just thinking about, coins. I don't want to put like real money in there because, there's no point. That's not very creative, at least to me. I want to make something special. And the first thought I thought about was actually I can make some custom wooden coins. And that's what this is. This is oak. See here? And of course it's double-sided. The details are kind of small, so it's hard to see on the camera. But they can be custom made to any spec that you want. Now with CNCKing.com, from now on, whenever you buy a bank, you get some coins with the bank. Maybe one, maybe several, who knows, right? And when it comes to the coins, we can also personalize them. Meaning that, if you want to give your child coins, you don't want to give them money, you want to give them a coin made out of wood, we can do that for you here in the shop, and we can actually have their name on it. Another idea would be, if they do certain chores, they put it in there. So it's a way of creating sort of capital, but not using actual money. Another thing to keep in mind is these are actually, solid wooden coins, kiln-dried wood. So because we can personalize every aspect of it, that also includes the shape. So let's say you wanted something like this in the shape of a star, shape of a square, rectangle, whatever you could come up with, we can actually make them here for you in the shop. Now the coins that we have here in the shop that we make for customers are generally all made of hardwood. Some customers want them out of plywood and other kind of specialty materials, but for CNCKing.com specifically, we're going to focus on the hardwoods for now. And that means we have the oak and we have poplar. So this is oak, get the focus working, and this is oak without any finishing on it. So you can see it just darkens it up a bit. And I also want to show you the poplar, which is also hardwood by comparison. So this here is the poplar. And I also want to show you a difference in sizing. So like our banks, the sizing of stuff is proportional, which means that, this is a 3/4 inch coin that I made. I can't get the focus to work on that one, and here is a 1.5 inch coin. So you can tell how much of a difference there is. And really it's only double the size, but it's more than that. It's double up, double wide. The thickness of the coins can also be absolutely anything you can want. But on the website right now, it's 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch. Those are generally the two sizes that we do here in the shop for my main business that you see here. And most customers sort of want that. Anything thicker becomes a little bit harder to carry around and to give out. Anything thinner than that, it starts to be kind of very fragile, because again, these are solid wood. So something very, very thin would just break apart. So you want to have some sort of thickness to it, but not too much thickness to it. So with every bank, we're giving out the coins as I mentioned, and they can be oak, they can be poplar, they can be cherry, you know, what have you. It's totally random when it comes to making them. But something to keep in mind for children is that the nice thing about the coins that we make is that we can make them bigger than real coins. And that's a nice thing because, you know, if these things are too small, they become a choking hazard. I have a almost 3-year-old son, and I would never give him a coin of this size. This is 3/4 inch diameter. I'd give him something like this, no problem, because if he puts it in his mouth, he's trying to put it in his mouth, so I could see it. But more importantly, he can't swallow it, so it's pretty safe. And again, it's very durable. You can actually break it if you try, but you got to really try. And for a child, there's no way they're breaking this. So again, just supervision, you know, with your child. And once they put it in the bank, they can't really get it out. Most children can't figure it out. They just got to sort of turn it upside down and shake it. But you know, that's the way kids are. So if you're looking for custom banks, and you're also looking for custom coins to go in those banks, contact me at sandboxranch.com. We can order them online, or we can, you know, send us a contact form, and we can sort of do custom things that might not be on the website, and we'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.